going to talk about the electric guitar today. I'm going to explain the various body styles the electric guitar comes in. I will show you the hardware and the names of the components that make up the electric guitar also. First of all, there are a few different models and styles of the electric guitar. They can come in either solid or hollow body. A standard number of strings to the guitar is not just set to 6 anymore either. An electrical guitar can come with more strings now. It's really the musician's preference and how many strings he wants to deal with. An 8-string guitar is very popular these days because it provides 2 additional strings that are on the lower tone of the music scale. It's almost like having the skinny strings of the bass guitar on a standard heavy string guitar. The definition of solid or hollow body is exactly that. The hollow body has acoustic holes of the body, and the body of the guitar is actually empty, and it allows for acoustic amplification for the guitar itself. It provides a different tone of sound also. Hollow body guitar is popular for jazz and blues, but it's not limited to just those styles. The solid guitar is a solid piece of wood that has been shaped in different ways. Most popular styles are basically the Strat, the Telecaster, the V, the SG, and the Rockwell, which is also known as the Explorer. There are several others as well, but we'll talk about the Strat style electric guitar. The Strat style guitar has various hardware components that have a specific function for the guitar. The basic parts of the guitar are the body, the neck, and the head. We'll start with the head and move down to the body. First, the head, its purpose is usually to hold the tuning keys and slightly angle the strings back below the fretboard. The tuning keys are used to tighten the strings by turning them clock or counterclockwise, depending if you need to lower or higher the pitch for that specific string. Where the head meets the neck is it's called the nut. The nut is used for separating strings from each other, keeping the strings floating above the neck also. Next is the neck. It contains frets that have different levels for pitches of the strings, depending on where you're pressing the string. If you're pressing it closer to the body, you'll have a higher tone. If you're pressing the fret further from the body, you'll have a lower tone. Or you could just have an open string, which is just the string riding on the bridge and the neck. On the nut, I'm sorry. The body has a bridge also that's basically a nut on the opposite side of the guitar. The string's tone can be anything between the bridge and neck. The many combinations of chords and notes when fretted against the neck are what make up the sounds we hear when the guitar is being played. Last but not least is the body of the guitar. The body contains all the electrical hardware. These are the pickups. These are what are used to grab the sound of the strings when the strings vibrate. They have magnetic poles that pull the vibrating sound wave. The pickups move the sound out the electrical components at this point. They usually have 2 pickups on an electric guitar, but that could vary also. Pickups come in single or double coil. The knobs are your basic volume and tone controls for the sound of the guitar. These are used just as you would a stereo volume and tone control. The volume will open up the circuit and pass more volume. The tone will adjust the volume that's coming out to a treble or a bass overall tone. All the electrical components of the guitar are amplified by an external piece of hardware, like a speaker with an amplifier that produces the signal of the guitar and reproduces it at a higher level. This is a guitar pick. Guitar picks are used for strumming strings. This is a guitar strap. Guitar straps are used to help the musicians hold the guitar if he is playing standing up. And that will conclude this video on electric guitars. Thank you for watching.